What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're taking a bumper off to vinyl wrap the crossbars in there. I'm going to vinyl wrap them white back in there. You can't really see them right now, but I think they'll add a little pop once I wrap them. First thing you want to do is take off any lips you got on the front. I already took mine off here. And then take this weather stripping off. You got some push pins you gotta take off, and then you have a few screws up here. The other screws that you need to take off, there's a few screws in here. I believe they're all 10 millimeter.
Can't really see.
No, 8 millimeter.
Can't see in there, it's too dark.
On both sides you want to remove them, and then there's a few screws on the bottom, and that'll release the whole bumper. So let's get to it. Two more in back here. So 6 screws. So when you get those 3 screws off, I'll show you what we have going on back here. There's 3 things you want to undo. First is the sensor right here. Just be careful when you unplug that. There's a little tab in the front. You put a little tiny screwdriver in there and slowly pry at it gently. And then you have to come down here. And then you have 2 screws here holding the bumper to the top, to the side panel. Both black screws right here need to come out. So I'm going to unscrew these 4 bolts to remove this. I want to take these little vents out. I don't believe I need them. And you'll be able to see these crossbars better. And once you don't want to take the whole thing out, you just want to get it loose. Because you got wires running under here. It's not going to come out unless you undo all these wiring, but you don't need to. Once you get it loose, you can pop these vents out of their slots, and it's out. Now we can reach the crossbars real nice and get them wrapped. So before you wrap it, we're gonna wipe them down with acetone, give them a nice cleaning so the vinyl sticks to them. So here's the vinyl by VViViD Wraps. Got the 1x5 foot roll. I'm going to measure it up, cut it. I'm going to cut them 2 inches, cut strips out of them, and put them on. So we got the bumper back on. I think it's looking pretty sharp. I'm going to put a new grill on. When you're putting a bumper on, just don't forget to plug your fog lights in after you start screwing it in. Make sure you get your fog lights plugged in while you're putting it on before you tighten anything up. Other than that, we're going to go ahead and screw everything in, and she's good to go. So what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think about the white crossbars, the new grill? I didn't put my lip back on. We'll go get an estimate to get the front bumper repainted, since it's got some scratches and some road rash. If you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.